Hi there, Kathy Bowersox here. I am the founder of Network in Action, West Chase Business Force, along with Quantum Leap Success Coaching. Today, I'm visiting with Rhiannon DeCaire, and she is a great member of the NIA, West Chase Business Force group, and I'm thrilled to have her with me today. Hi, Rhiannon, welcome.
Hi, how are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm so glad to have you here today. So
Yes,
tell
thank
us,
you for having me.
you bet. So tell us a little bit about what you do and how you help people and who typical clients are for you.
So I'm an independent health insurance agent. So I take care of individuals, families, self-employed, and small business owners. Since I am independent, I do have access to everything on the market, but I do specialize in private health coverage, medical, dental, and vision.
That sounds terrific. And that's something that's really important for individuals and small business owners these days.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, so what are you seeing as you're out there dealing with your clients right now? You know, the pandemic's affecting everybody. And so what are you seeing? What are you hearing from clients, the business owners that you're working with about their health insurance concerns right now?
Well, like you said, with everything going on right now, there's a lot of layoffs, a lot of people aren't working, losing their jobs, going on COBRA. So something that I can really help them with, and what I've been hearing, is just looking at their options, just seeing what would work best for them. Sometimes COBRA can be very expensive. So looking at, see if that's their best option to go with. But I've also heard, people, since they are losing their jobs, are starting to, open their own businesses and starting to become, their own business owners. So that's how I can help them with, as well, is that I can get them set up for them and their employees, get them some health insurance. Plus we also, with my company, we have a little bit of like added benefits that we can include for, small business owners, which is really amazing.
That's fantastic. And, I've been hearing that from a lot of the people that I've been talking to is as people are losing their jobs, a lot of them are thinking about starting their own businesses. And so health insurance is something that they need to think about, whether they're a solopreneur or they're going to have employees, they're going to need to have some kind of coverage somewhere. And you're right, COBRA is very expensive. I've been on it in the past and very expensive.
Yeah, it's very, very expensive. And with people starting their own businesses, a lot of them do have families and, people that they do need to insure as well. So just figuring out what we can get for their kids and, for their spouses, and just making sure, with everything going on, making sure that they are covered, just in case anything were to happen.
That's wonderful. So we're coming up on open enrollment pretty soon, aren't we?
Yes, open enrollment, it's going to be November 1st to December 15th. That's if you don't have a qualifying event, that's when you can get onto the marketplace, the Obamacare plans. So you don't need a qualifying event. That's when, we can accept everyone. But this year, because of COVID and everything going on with that, a lot of the rates on Obamacare are going to be going up and are increasing quite a bit. So I would be able to jump in and help them and see if maybe something on the private side would be a little bit better, or if they should stay with Obamacare and stay with that option. I mean, they are both really good options, just depending on what you're looking for and what your needs are. So for me, I could jump in, go through like what you're looking for, your needs, everything that's involved, and then we can pick and choose what would be the best option for them. But yeah, open enrollment is going to be a crazy time for us.
Yes, I know it is every year for anybody that deals with health insurance. That's a very busy time. But it sounds like you can sit down with an individual or a business owner and really help them figure out what the best policy is going to be for them, whether it's a private policy or through the Obamacare policies.
Yes, absolutely. For me, I love helping people, and I just want to make sure that everyone is covered and everyone is taken care of, no matter what option they go with. For me, it's just helping people. With these uncertain times, I just want to make sure that I can do everything I can to make sure that they are covered.
That sounds wonderful. And I'm going to have a conversation with you about my coverage. We'll have to do that in a little bit. So, what is your best guidance and advice for people right now as we are coming up on open enrollment and people are considering maybe getting off of Cobra or buying a new health insurance policy, what's your best advice and guidance for them?
I would just say, definitely find a really good agent that you can work with. Not necessarily me, but anyone that you would trust to make sure that would give you the best advice. There's a lot of different plans out there that might not cover you in the best way possible. So I think it's just really going through your options, maybe getting a second opinion, having someone really walk you through everything that you need to know, answer all of the questions that you have, not rush you into a decision, but to really make sure that what you're getting is going to be the best option for you and your family. Because that's for me, that's the most important thing. Absolutely most important.
That is really great advice. I know when I've had to go out and choose before, it's confusing. There's so many options, and how do you know whether a PPO or an HMO is best for you and your family or your business and your employees? Or how do you know whether maybe you should go on an Obamacare plan?
Yeah.
There's so much to choose from. So having someone like you to help guide people through that is really a great benefit of working with you. So if somebody were to want to work with you, what's the best way for them to reach you?
So you can give me a call or you can even text me. My phone number is 346-203-1000. And we would be able to figure out a time where we can chat a little bit. I can get some information, and then I can start doing my research, finding some quotes for you, and then we can definitely move forward with that.
That's terrific. Thank you so much, Rhiannon.
Thank you.
If you are interested in finding a new health insurance policy, whether you're an individual and you want to get a policy for your family, whether you are looking to get off of Cobra, or you just want to change whatever health insurance you're on, Rhiannon DeCaire is somebody great to work with, and I know she will take fantastic care of you. So make sure and reach out to Rhiannon.